Hello, and welcome to another episode of Digital Mastery Strategies for Corporate Leaders. I am Awuyemi Awuyokun, and as usual, I'm excited to have you here. So far in our series, we have covered what digital transformation means, the role of leadership, overcoming resistance to change, and how to measure success. But today, we are getting tactical, choosing the right technologies to support your journey. Digital transformation isn't about adopting technology. It's about choosing the right tools that align with your business goals. With thousands of platforms available, cloud services, analytics, automation tools, cybersecurity solutions, and customer engagement systems, myriads of them, how do corporate leaders select the right ones for their business? How do you know which ones are worth investing in? In this episode, we will break it down. The key factors to consider when selecting technology, how to align technology selection with your business strategy. The core technology categories that drive digital transformation and the real-world examples of organizations that have successfully implemented digital transformation. And of course, I'll be telling this story through the eyes and experiences of Anne and Mary, two longtime friends, one a corporate executive leading digital transformation, the other a seasoned consultant helping businesses select the right technology stacks. So, let's step into their conversation. Anne sat in her office staring at a 45-slide technology proposal from her IT department. The document detailed analytic tools, robotic process automation solutions, machine learning powered CRMs, and blockchain-based security enhancements. Our inbox is also flooded with technology proposals from vendors, each claiming to have the perfect solution for our company's needs. The solutions look all impressive, but how was she supposed to decide which ones were actually needed? Her team recommended AI-powered analytics. Her marketing team wanted a new CRM, and our operations team pushed for process automation software. Meanwhile, the CFO was concerned about cost efficiency, and the CEO wanted quick results. Earlier in her career, Anna had seen this happen before. Companies investing in cutting-edge tools that employees never use. Teams getting overwhelmed by complex software they didn't need. Huge IT budgets wasted on platforms that didn't integrate properly. She knew technology was a key enabler of transformation, but she also knew that choosing the wrong tools could set the company back years. Frustrated, she called our longtime friend Mary, a senior consultant at Amogate, which is a management consulting firm specializing in, among other things, digital transformation. She called Mary. Hello Mary, I need help. My team is drowning in technology options. Everyone wants a new tool, but I don't even know where to start from. How do I decide what actually matters? Mary chuckled over the phone. Anne, you are facing the classic technology overload. Many companies make the mistakes of buying tools without aligning it with business needs. Just because a tool is innovative doesn't mean it's right for your business. Let's first establish the key factors you should consider before choosing technology. First, business alignment. Does it solve? Mary explained. Before choosing a tool, you need to evaluate it based on 5 critical factors. Number 1, business alignment. Does it solve a real problem? Technology must serve the business strategy, not the other way around. Investing in tools just because they are innovative is a mistake. Instead, start by identifying your company's pain points and strategic objectives. For example, are manual processes slowing operations? Are customer complaints increasing due to inefficiencies? Is employee productivity suffering because of outdated tools? Are you looking to improve customer experience streamline operations, or drive innovation. The tools you choose should directly address these goals. Without this alignment, technology investment will be random and ineffective. Even the most advanced technology will fail to deliver value. Second point, scalability. Can it grow with your business? Scalability is about ensuring that the tools you select can handle growth, whether it's an increase in users, data volume, or geographic expansion. A scalable platform allows you to adapt to your changing business needs without requiring a complete overhaul of your tech stack. This is especially important in industries with rapid growth or seasonal fluctuations. A tool may work today, but will it support your business 3 years from now? Many companies invest in rigid solutions that don't scale, leading to costly replacements later. To evaluate scalability, consider the following. Can the platform handle a 10 times increase in users or transactions? Does it support multi-location and global expansion? Can it adapt to future business models? 3. Integration capabilities. Will it work with existing systems? Integration is critical to avoid data silos and inefficiencies. The tools you choose should seamlessly connect with your existing systems, whether it's your ERP, CRM, or legacy software. Poor integration can lead to fragmented workflows, duplicated efforts, and frustrated employees. Digital transformation is not just about adding new tools, it's about ensuring all tools work together seamlessly. The key considerations here will include: does the software support APIs for easy connectivity with other systems? Will it create data silos that make collaboration difficult? Can it integrate with existing ERPs, CRMs, and other systems in place? Many digital initiatives fail because new platforms don't communicate with old ones, forcing employees to work across multiple disconnected systems. A fourth factor, user experience. Will employees and customers actually use it? Adoption is the ultimate test of a tool's success. If a platform is too complex or unintuitive, employees and customers will resist using it. A great user experience minimizes the learning curve and ensures that the technology enhances productivity rather than hindering it. The best technology is worthless if people won't use it. Poor user adoption happens when interfaces are too complex, tools require excessive training, and employees see no clear benefit in using it. To drive adoption, companies must prioritize intuitive, user-friendly solutions that provide immediate value to employees and customers. And the fifth factor, security and compliance. Is it safe and industry compliant? In today's digital landscape, security and compliance are non-negotiable. The tools you choose must protect sensitive data and meet regulatory requirements. This is especially critical in industries like healthcare, finance, and energy, where breaches can have severe consequences. With cyber attacks increasing worldwide, security must be a top priority, not an afterthought. As such, leaders must ensure that the tools meet industry standards. For example, GDPR, HIPAA, ISO 27001, and many other standards that are required based on the particular geography or industry within which your organization operates. It includes multi-factor authentication and real-time threat detection, and it has a clear disaster recovery plan. Let's look at how Unilever, a global consumer goods company, applied these principles in their digital transformation journey. Business alignment. Unilever's goal was to enhance sustainability across its supply chain. They adopted AI-powered platforms to optimize logistics, reduce waste, and lower carbon emission. Every tool they selected was tied to their sustainability agenda. Scalability. As Unilever expanded into new markets, their platforms needed to handle increased data and operational complexity. They chose cloud-based solutions that could scale with their global operations. Integration. Unilever ensured that their new tools integrated seamlessly with their existing ERP and supply chain management systems. This allowed for real-time data sharing and streamlined workflows. User experience. Unilever prioritized user-friendly interfaces for their employees, ensuring that the new tools were easy to adopt. They also provided training to facilitate the transition. Security and compliance. Given the sensitive nature of supply chain data, Unilever invested in robust cybersecurity measures and ensured compliance with global regulations. By focusing on these 5 factors, Unilever not only achieved operational efficiencies, but also strengthened their brand reputation as a sustainability leader. I'll give you another example. Mary said, the UK's NHS rolled out a massive digital health record system some years back, but the project ran into serious issues because they ignored some of these 5 factors. There were issues with business alignment. The system was designed without input from some doctors, leading to inefficiencies in workflows. The system could not handle growing patient data, it was said. Hospitals used different incompatible systems, leading to integration challenges. Doctors found the platform too complex, and as such, many of them stopped using the system. There were weak cybersecurity controls which led to data breaches on the platform. And you know the result? The system has been linked to death of at least 3 patients and more than 100 instances of serious harm at NHS Hospital Trust in England, not to talk of about over £10 billion as the total cost of the solution and scrapping it. Mary concluded, and maybe if NHS had evaluated these 5 factors properly, they could have avoided this costly failure. Anne took a deep breath. Got it. Before buying anything, I need to analyze business needs, ensure scalability, prioritize integration, consider usability, and guarantee security. Mary went further to discuss the core technology pillars of digital transformation. She began explaining, every company needs a strong technology foundation for digital transformation. But rather than chasing the newest trends, you need to focus on 5 core technology categories. These are the pillars that support every successful digital transformation. First, cloud computing, the backbone of digital business. Cloud computing is a foundation of agility, scalability, and cost efficiency. It allows businesses to access computing resources on demand, reducing the need for expensive on-premise infrastructure. A cloud-first strategy is essential for organizations looking to innovate quickly and scale efficiently. And before anything else, you need a cloud-first strategy. Cloud computing is the single most important enabler of digital transformation because it provides scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. Imagine, in traditional IT infrastructure, companies used on-premise servers, which require large upfront capital investment in hardware. They buy some very big servers and put them in some data centers, and it's humongous in cost. Significant maintenance costs, and of course, limited flexibility. Scaling up means physically adding more servers. Cloud computing changed this model entirely. Instead of owning hardware, companies rent computing power from providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud. The key benefits include scalability. It can scale computing resources up or down instantly based on demand. You Cost efficiency, you pay for what you use instead of maintaining idling infrastructure. Global reach, you deploy applications and services across multiple geographies seamlessly. Security and compliance, cloud providers invest heavily in advanced security protocols and regulatory compliance. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Mary emphasized, without a strong cloud strategy, businesses risk operational bottlenecks, high infrastructure costs, and difficulty in scaling. Number 2, data and analytics, turning information into actionable insights. Data is the lifeblood of digital transformation. Without it, decisions are based on guesswork rather than insights. Investing in tools that provide real-time analytics and predictive capabilities enable businesses to make smarter, faster decisions. And data is often called the new oil of the digital age. But raw data alone isn't valuable. It is the ability to extract insights from it that drives business decisions. Mary explained that data and analytics power multiple aspects of business strategy, including customer insights, operational optimization, risk management, predictive decision making. To truly leverage data, businesses must invest in a modern data infrastructure, which includes technologies like data warehouses, AI and machine learning, real-time analytics. Without a data strategy, businesses operate on gut feeling rather than facts, making them vulnerable to competitors who use data-driven decision making. Number 3, automation and artificial intelligence. Automation and AI are game changers for operational efficiency. For automating repetitive tasks to enabling predictive maintenance, these technologies free up human resources for higher value activities. And automation and AI are not about replacing employees. Rather, they are about augmenting human capabilities to make work more efficient and impactful. Organizations today face challenges such as repetitive manual tasks that slow down operations, human errors in data entry, compliance checks and reporting, slow customer service response time. Mary continued, the goal of automation is to free up employees to focus on higher value activities while improving efficiency and accuracy. Businesses today can automate workflows and business processes using tools like UiPath, Microsoft Power Automate, which can help reduce manual data entry and document processing. For customer service and chatbots, which can handle routine inquiries and even generate tickets for support work later on. So in supply chain and logistics, you have tools like SAP Integrated Business Planning that can help automate inventory management and demand forecasting. AI-driven automation leads to faster turnaround times, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. Companies that fail to embrace automation often find themselves struggling with inefficiencies. The fourth factor, cybersecurity. It's about protecting digital assets. As businesses digitize, they become more vulnerable to cyber threats. A robust cybersecurity strategy is essential to protect sensitive data, maintain customers' trust, and ensure business continuity. And as businesses digitize, they become prime target for cyber threats. Cybersecurity is no longer a nice to have, it is a business imperative. Cybersecurity threats today include phishing and social engineering attacks, employees tricked into giving access to sensitive data, ransomware, cyber criminals locking companies out of their own data, insider threats, employees misusing or mishandling confidential information. To protect against cyber threats, businesses need to invest in Zero Trust security framework, which requires verifying all users and devices before granting access. AI-driven threat detection, which helps to identify and mitigate attacks in real time. There are myriads of solutions out there. CrowdStrike, Palo Alto Networks, they have solutions that help with AI-driven threat detections. Then, multi-factor authentication, which helps in strengthening access controls. Companies that fail to prioritize cybersecurity risk data breaches, financial losses, reputational damages, and regulatory penalties. The fifth one, customer experience platform, driving engagement and loyalty. Digital transformation is ultimately about delivering value to customers. Platforms that enable personalized, seamless interactions across channels are critical for building loyalty and driving growth. And digital transformation ultimately should enhance customer experience. If customers don't benefit, the investment is pointless. Businesses today must meet customers where they are, on websites, mobile apps, social media, and chat platforms. Customer experience platforms help in personalization, which is offering tailored recommendations based on customer behavior. We see that a lot on Netflix, Disney. You are served videos based on your preferences. It's tailored to you. We also have omni-channel engagement, which is creating seamless transitions across web, mobile, and physical stores. Self-service options, empowering customers with automated support and knowledge bases, so that you don't even have to interact with a human being before you get solution to your problems, but instead, from the knowledge bases created by the company, customers are able to help themselves. Investing in customer experience technology leads to higher retention, increased sales, and stronger brand loyalty. Anne was taking notes. So rather than looking at flashy technologies, I need to focus on these 5 pillars first. Exactly, Mary said. A strong foundation is what makes digital transformation scalable and successful. A case study that ties it all together. Mary shared a real-world example. She talked about Enel, an Italian-based energy provider that embarked on a massive digital transformation initiative to improve customer engagement. They applied the 5 pillars, focusing on cloud computing when they moved customer billing and energy tracking to a cloud-based system for real-time data access. They also used AI to analyze electricity consumption patterns and offer personalized energy-saving recommendations to their customers. They automated customer service using AI-powered chatbots, reducing response time to customers by 30%. On cybersecurity, they implemented AI-driven fraud detection to prevent electricity theft and billing fraud. Also, they launched a self-service portal and mobile app, which also increased engagement with the organization by 20%. The result? As you would think, lower operational costs through automation, increased customer retention due to improved engagement, and enhanced energy efficiency and sustainability compliance. Mary concluded, this is what happens when a company strategically invests in the right technology. Enel didn't just implement tools for the sake of innovation. They used technology to solve real business challenges and deliver measurable impact. Anne was deep in thought. Mary, I see it now. Instead of chasing the latest trends, I need to ensure that we build a strong foundation across these 5 pillars. Exactly, Mary confirmed. A strong tech foundation is the difference between short-term digital upgrades and long-term transformation success. Anne thanked Mary for her suggestions. 6 months later, Anne and Mary met at a conference. Mary, you won't believe it. I took your advice and focused on core technologies instead of chasing trends. Our cloud migration improved IT costs by 25%. Customers' engagement tools increased retention by 18%. Automation eliminated 30% of repetitive manual tasks. We did not just buy technology, we selected what actually aligned with our business goals. Mary smiled. Now, that's what I call digital mastery. Mary wrapped up the conversation with 3 key takeaways. 1. Technology should align with business goals. Don't invest in tools just because they are trendy. 2. A strong foundation across the 5 pillars ensures agility, efficiency, and scalability. And the last one, digital transformation is a continuous journey. Technology must evolve with the business. That is it on today's episode. I do hope you found it informative and interesting. You can join the conversation on our AmoGate YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram pages. You can have opportunities to ask questions and seek clarification on the discussions. In our next episode, we'll be discussing data as the new currency, leveraging analytics for strategic decisions. Do subscribe and follow us on our social media channels so that you can be notified of new episodes as well as seeing other amazing programs from AmoGate. See you next time, and until then, stay innovative, stay digital. Bye.